So I'm going to do a quick second gear pull, second to third really, so I can show you the sound of the foam filter when it's in that little intake piece. So not too much of a noise, too much of a rasp, if you can even hear it. Alright, so that little foam thing is actually located in here. Pop that out, you can see it in there like that. Grab some trusty pliers, pull this down, pull it out, stick it back on, and your noises get a little bit louder. Alright, I just pulled over, removed that foam filter thing. It only takes maybe 15 seconds to remove it, nothing big. So again, I'm going to do a second to a third gear pull, so you can kind of hear the little bit of tone change. There was that buzz. It's just a slight buzz, you may not even be able to hear it. As you can see, the tone does change a little bit. Nothing bad, just a little more growl. Pretty awesome for a 15-second free modification, in my opinion.